Throughout the years, the star has become a symbol of hope. The Star of David led 3 wise men to the future leader of the world's largest religion. Navigators have used the North Star to guide them home safely, and in the military, the more stars, the higher the rank. The stars have been brandished with glory while Washington crossed the Potomac, when the Allies stormed the beaches of Normandy. It is a symbol of hope, and is worn by a nation thought to be the world model for others. The Vietnam War was like nothing we had ever seen before, and in this picture by Kiyoshi Sawa shows how the war had not only physically devastated U.S. soldiers, but also morally. Seeing an atrocity over and over again caused these soldiers to develop a sense of callousness, or thick skin, so to speak. These soldiers had clearly numbed to the idea of righteousness. They had been fighting a dirty war where many of the soldiers had seen unfathomable things that would make the strongest willed men quiver. Take a look at these soldiers' faces. They showed that of monotony. Just like the soldiers smoking the cigarette, actions like these became habitual. The thought of dragging a man behind a moving vehicle probably would have never crossed their minds back home, but Vietnam was far from home. This nameless, faceless Viet Cong could have easily been similar to the soldiers in the tank. He was somebody's son. He may have been a brother, a husband, a father. In differing circumstances, these men in the tank could have been best friends with the man being dragged. But they're at war, and as General Sherman said, war is hell.